Today we are taking a look at Capacity, a website and app that allows you to take a note, that allows you to write a note and keep a note. So this website is one of the most powerful and most popular websites used for productivity. So you can use this website or the app, because the website, there's a website version and there's a app version. You can see on the screen there's a app version for the phone and there's a website version for the desktop or for the PC. So if you are currently running a PC, you can have access to this website, which is Capacity, through your web browser. Just go to capacity.io, then you have the access to website. Then if you want the app, just go to your either your Play Store or your App Store. If you're running on iOS, then if you're running on Android, just go to your various store, either Apple or Play Store. So this app will actually boost your productivity. So how does it boost it? It boosts you by make your work productive. For example, writing notes, keeping notes rather. So in this video, I'm going to show you some couple of important things that you need to know about this website, because this website actually help you create a personal knowledge base and also help you in digital guiding for your thoughts and ideas. So if you're the kind of person that creates thoughts and ideas about something and you need where you can organize your thought and ideas, this website is the best website for you, and it offers wide range of tools that you can use to do this. So Capacity lets you link your notes to quick see how they connect. Do you get that now? So Capacity lets you link your notes to quickly see how they connect. This helps you understand complex topics and generate new ideas. It's similar to a website like that, but some people think it's easier to use. So actually there's a couple of reviews about this website. So it's a great website. So this website was actually developed by a William Knott, created Capacity. So a developer called Williams Knott creates this website, an amazing website. He wanted a tool that could do more than just store information. His vision was to build a PKM system that help people understand and connect their ideas. And instead, he ended up building Capacity. Capacity use a unique approach that goes beyond traditional folder and tags, which makes it awesome. So here are the top benefits of this website. So the first one of the benefits of this website is you gain access to Studio, which is studio for your mind. And this is here, you can create your own studio. So you can just create your own studio from your own mind, which makes it more easier. Capacity is more than just a new note-taking app, because that's what people actually know this particular website for. It's just for taking new notes or note-taking app, but it's just more than that. It is a studio for your mind, and this actually makes huge amount of sense. So it's a space to think, create, and connect ideas. It's designed to help you build second brain, where you can organize your knowledge and unlock your full potential. So that's one of the top benefits of using this website. One of the top benefits of using this website. You can also gain access to seamless synchronization. That is to say, you can have access to your notes from anywhere. Capacity offer a reliable sync across all your devices, including desktop, website, and Android. So, which makes it awesome. Then you can also you can work offline. So if you don't have access to internet, you can use this website. If you have access to internet, you can use this website, which makes it awesome. And also you gain access to a dashboard for your thoughts. So there's a special website, a dashboard for this particular website. Once you create an account, just register for that, then you have access to a dashboard. Start your day with a clear overview of your project, task, ideas, and capacity ideas. So that's it. You have a flexible and customizable platform. Capacity can be customized to perfect match your needs and preference, which makes it awesome. It also offer this benefit, which is constantly evolving. So that's it. And one of the best features Capacity has ever produced is the capacity nodes, which makes it more easier to use. Capacity nodes are more than just a plain text. You can add pictures, videos, and web page to your notes, which makes it more easier to use, just like Google spreadsheet, something like that, or Google Google spreadsheet. You also get access to Capacity AI. So Capacity AI has some cool AI tricks. It can help you customize your notes, which is absolutely perfect. You can also gain access to contextual blank linking, which is awesome. So this features is a super cool image. You were writing notes about your favorite animals or dogs. So this is a cool website that you can use. And also you have access to a powerful search tools, which makes it more awesome. You have access to search tools, which awesome. You also have a quick capture. Sometimes you have a quick thought or idea you need to write down fast, so Capacity can help you do that within a trick of an eye. Then also you can check their pricing list. Capacity offer a few different pricing plan to fit your need, and here is a sample. So I'm just going to walk you through that on the website so that I can see for yourself a couple of pricing list. So here is the pricing list right here. So we're going to open the pricing list. You can see here is it. Capacity basic. We have a capacity basic for everybody, which is free. So you get started. You have unlimited space. Object and block. You also have synchronization across all your devices. You have unlimited custom object type. You also have full support for import, export, and backup. You also have save content from WhatsApp, Telegram, Twitter, and email. You also grant other view only access to notes. Then you also have full text search across all your content, and you have offline support. You also gain access to media upload up to 5 gig total and 100 MB per month word. Then back to the Capacity Pro, which is for professional, pay about 9.99 per month, which is for get Capacity Pro. So you have an access to AI assistance, but here under the free Capacity basic, there's no access to AI. So right here we have AI assistant, we have smart queries, we have task action, we have API access beta. Then you also have everything is in free, and you have unlimited mentions, you have unlimited media upload, you have formulas for tables, you have created icon sets, you have additional extensions like recast and web highlight. You also gain access to calendar integration, and even more. You have more than this. So if you want to learn more about this plan, just click the learn more button from the home screen. Then you have Capacity Believer, which is about 12.49 per month. Then from here you can become believer from the website. Then you have highlight, you gain access to beta across the major new features. Then you have highlight, you have everything in pro and just everything based on the arrangement. You also have access to gain access to boost the products you love. We also support with independent team, more like that, which makes the website so unique and so awesome. Exactly. And here are the website is super cool. Like I said, these are the available capacity. These are the available tools stand to get from the AI capacity. You have the product. You have the capacity pro, which is also have AI features, AI assistant rather. Then here's a roadmap. What's new? The roadmap. The website is super cool. Then if you want to follow them on social media, you can simply go to your YouTube and search for capacities with their website logo, just so that you'll be able to identify them. You can also simply go to your Twitter. Then if you want one like that, you can just click on this, and this will take you down to the website, which is okay. So is back to the home page. You can also dive into your studio. So to create an account for you, just click on register. Then once you're ready for that, you can start using the website to create an account. Then follow the process. Then you can also use this. This is just for that mode. There's nothing special about this. Then more button, just more about the team, the principal, the career, the contact, and so many more like that. Talk about the pricing. So I don't think this website is expensive, because categorically the kind of service they render is super cool. So, and their price list is okay. They can, as based on what they said they would do, which is awesome. So you have nothing to worry about. Just click the register button, then get started. These are product features right here. You have a daily note, an overview of what capacity can do. Yeah, I've been waiting for this. Thank God I figured it out before I end the video. This is features product. It's time to get a daily note from website. Also gain an access to template, explore connection. You also gain this, which is tagging. You have this as well, mentioned it in the earlier. You also have powerful search, mentioned in the earlier. Also have custom object type. You have page layout, AI assistance, and block linking. They are all mentioned, which is super cool. Now with you on all your devices, so you can be connected to different devices. For example, desktop, you have access to this website on macOS, Windows, then Linux. Then for website, all major browsers. Then for tablet, you have iOS, we have Android. Then for mobile, we have iOS and Android. Then we have website extension, which makes it super cool. Exactly. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this website. So if you find this video helpful, turn on the share button and follow for more. Thank you.